Can I just make that into 1 foot? What have we got here, lads? Oh, whoa, whoa, it's fucking not happening. That is 11 inches. We got 2 inches there on the front. With one. And these are sled legs in there. We could just make the complete front again. We could make the front again. I need a foot to go in there, a foot and a bit. So we can move that to the front and you'd have a perfect foot and a bit, I'm thinking. Right, smash through the fucking window. Let's just see how this is put on here. All them years ago. Fucking low, innit? Well, that's how first bit of problem in. Is one of these. Will it reach? Back in hell, aye. I did that so I can, you know, I can get some wood glue in there. That's it would have been nice by there, wouldn't it? Screw that way, but what size we got now in Tossy? 14, so okay, put that back on there. What size you got there in it? 13, we're going for that. We're going for 14. So I'm going to cut the bit off because it's too big. We'll put a thing on the top then for a bridge. Anybody got a pencil? Yes, one drop. Okay, I go. How I often walked down the street before. So, what size do you want this then, Barber boy? Bobby boy. How big is that then? That is 1 1/4. Right, we're going to screw that to that. See, I'd never come up too high with a saw. I only ever cut maybe 2 inches. I do these marks here for obvious reasons. We don't want to drill into them, you know what I mean? So we'll just do like 3 holes. And whop some 4-inch in. And we got to make sure the blade is square and etc. So we just put 1 in so we can swing it. So we're going to stick one in there. And then that allows us to do that slightly. I don't think we'll need it, but we're gonna try it. I'd say there. Remember the old days I used to use them screwdrivers without the engine on, without the electric motor. Try doing that today. It fucking killed you. We didn't have them back in my days, the electric screwdrivers. So we soon got into the habit of using them because it was luxury, wasn't it? It was fucking luxury. But you go back to one now, it fucking kills your wrist. Right, get your mustard jar. And put some mustard on. That should do with the mustard. Put that on. And hopefully find your hole. Which I think that did find it. Now, double check every damn thing in there you can possibly check. That's better. Right, that's a ticket. We got a ticket to ride. We got a ticket to ride. That was a fucking great, man. What we gotta find? A piece of wood for there. What we're going to do, I'm just going to screw two into there to stop it from spreading and keep it on the dado. And then we'll turn it over and do what we got to do. Used to work in a bakery doing cakes, so we're going to just sit down on there. We're just going to pop that into there. Make sure it's right on the edge. Don't go right through yet. That's going to go out there on that edge. as that. I'm going to put that on the back of there. Just for safety, just for safety. I took the paint off there, I took the paint off there. We're going to screw that on there like that. Let the glue go off a bit, back the screw out a bit, and then we'll screw it onto the faceplate. Right, so get your mustard back out and do some more curly whirlies. A one down here, a one down there. Anyone who got a drill would love me. We don't want it to go right through yet. Right, will that go in that gap? Yes, it will. So we're going to screw that all the way in now, so it squashes that glue. And then we're going to screw this one all the way in. Without it in that. And that squashes the glue as well. Then that's going to go on the front here to protect me from heaters and such likes. You know what I'm saying to you is loosen these screws off a wee bit. Like that. Like that. And then line it up with there. And then put them back in. There you go. They didn't come through, so that was good news. Right, what else are we going to do, Bobby? I think that's about it, really. I only wanted to slightly modify it. We'll put them in there, just to fill them holes. And that's about it, folks. Started off doing one job and we ended up doing another job. But what I've done is made that same size as there now, give or take a foot. And this bit can go back on there like that. Right, tighten that up. And then that locks that in place. That will never move, and then you can drive through and do whatever you want to do. You know, I gotta have a go. It was a quick little project just to alter my sled. The thing is, you might want to make one of these sleds. They're easy to make. I do believe I got a video on there showing you how to make a sled. It's the simplest thing in the world. But once you made one, you'll never ever go back. It's the easiest, the best thing you're going to do. So if you like to shed often, build yourself a sled and you can have all this wood to get rid of. I'll see you in the next video, and yet again, as I always tell you, thank you for popping in and watching some crazy git, and we'll see what we can get up to next, is it? Before I go now, if I stay there will be trouble. If I don't there will be double. So what I'm going to do is just powder drill into there. Not a drill, a screw. Oh, they smell like pee, don't they? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song. I will try not to sing out of key. Hey, good bastard looking. What you got cooking? You good looking bastard. There's no holding back today, lad. No holding back. Scratch my fucking nose, because I eat fucking sawdust. A thin fucker there. A fat fucker there. And a thin fucker there. My end just fell off. Fucking stay there then, you bastard. Of course, when the screws hanging at the bottom. Fucking hell, my head just goes. It just goes. I'm trying to push it and thinking, why ain't I going? Well, there's 6 screws hanging out here. Right, the next trick, we need a block there, so that blade don't come out and bite me. That's great. Fastening's gonna get you a long way. If I had an hammer, I'd bash it in the morning. I'd bash it in the evening. Tune in next week and watch me beat something else. Oh, pardon me. Was that the Chattanooga Choo Choo? Mustard, come and get your mustard. My Rosemary, I love you. I can't even put a fucking screw in. I'm like a one-eyed fucking chicken. Bend down, pick it up, doot doot doot. I spend my life bending down, picking up a doop bap boop. You are my papaya. Oh, my boy lollipop. Love you, I love you, I love you so. That was Millie. There. Does that look like it's been made by a madman? So I'm gonna let that. When you push through, you've still got 2 inches of safety margin before you see blood gusting and stuff like that. We don't want to see blood gusting, do we? Not mine, anyway. You might want to see somebody else's, but you don't want to see mine. There we go, there we go, there we go. The battery is saying red. Green. Oh, fucking red, green. Oh, young man. You haven't seen me in that position before, have you? Excuse the yellow, that's a rag I'm putting over my camera. To be posh. I want to be posh, I want to be posh. Scooby-Doo. Thanks for staying with me. I don't like being out here on my own. Sorry for throwing you around like this, but... And then I'm going to have a look, see what's fucking happening. Okay, I can see. Well, why do you mind there for? I didn't want to be doing a sled, but I thought, well, we just well do it while we're here, innit?